Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best foldable chairs is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture solutions available today, offering a practical way to add extra seating to your home, patio, or event space without sacrificing precious room when not in use, making them an indispensable addition for anyone looking to maximize their living area or entertain guests with ease and convenience. Number 5. Flash Furniture Mindy Kids 5-Piece Folding Table and Chairs Set. Introducing a vibrant 5-piece set, perfect for your little ones. It includes a square table and 4 chairs, creating an ideal space for meals, crafts, and learning. This set is designed for children from preschool to first grade. It's a wonderful addition to daycare centers, preschools, playrooms, or even your kitchen. When not in use, the table and chairs fold away neatly for easy storage. A safety lever ensures they remain securely open during use. Crafted from sturdy vinyl, this set is built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, just a quick wipe with water and a damp cloth is all it takes. Get started right away. This set requires no assembly. The table supports up to 70 pounds, and each chair holds up to 81 pounds, ensuring safety and stability. Brighten up any room with this multicolor set. It provides a dedicated and engaging space for children's activities and learning. What we like. This set is perfect for young learners. It offers a dedicated space for activities and meals, with a clever foldable design for easy storage. If you are setting up a classroom, daycare, or a dedicated play area for your children, this is a fantastic choice for durability and convenience. What people say. The chairs are lightweight and easy to carry, making them convenient for outdoor events. They fold flat for compact storage, which is great for small spaces. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, even with regular use. Number 4. Flash Furniture Hercules Series Folding Chair, White. Introducing a set of 4 folding chairs, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a corporate event, a family gathering, or a school function, these chairs provide dependable seating. Designed for comfort and built to last, these chairs feature contoured seats with drain holes for superior support. Floor caps ensure your surfaces remain protected. These lightweight chairs are incredibly easy to move and store. They can be nested horizontally for stacking or vertically in closets, making cleanup and storage a breeze. With a robust construction featuring double support braces and steel frames, they can support up to 650 pounds. Enjoy years of reliable use, indoors or out. No assembly is required, and cleaning is simple. Just wipe them down with water and a dry cloth. They are ready for your next event right out of the box. What we like. Experience unparalleled sturdiness with these chairs, boasting an impressive weight capacity. Their comfortable, contoured seats with drain holes make them ideal for extended use. If you need reliable seating for large gatherings, events, or even commercial use where durability and comfort are paramount, these are the ones to consider. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. They fold up compactly, making them easy to store when not in use. The design is simple yet elegant, and they look great in any setting. Number 3. Next Level Racing GT Lite Foldable Cockpit. Experience the ultimate in sim racing with the Next Level Racing GT Lite. This foldable cockpit offers unparalleled versatility and comfort for your racing adventures. Featuring next-level racing hubs, you can make quick adjustments to your setup while enjoying solid durability. It's designed to withstand intense racing sessions. Achieve your perfect racing posture with adjustable wheel, gear shifter, and pedal positions and angles. The included gear shifter support can be mounted on either side for your convenience. Race in maximum comfort thanks to the highly breathable fabric seat. When you're done, it's easy to store and portable, making it ideal for any space. Enjoy a rigid racing experience with hard mounting solutions for your wheel, shifters, and pedals. This setup ensures a stable platform for all your sim racing needs. It's compatible with all major wheels and pedals, and pre-drilled for popular brands like Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec. Get ready to race with your existing gear. What we like. Immerse yourself in the ultimate racing experience with this simulator cockpit. Its adjustable components and hard mounting options ensure a rigid setup for your wheel and pedals. If you're a serious sim racer looking for a foldable solution that offers a professional and comfortable setup without sacrificing performance, this is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. They fold up easily and are quite compact for storage. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well over time. Number 2. Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair Black, 4-pack. Introducing the Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair in black. This set includes 4 chairs, perfect for any occasion. It folds up tight and compact, making storage a breeze. You can easily tuck them away when not in use. Built with a durable steel frame and a powder-coated finish, these chairs are made to last. Featuring cross braces and a tube-in-tube reinforced frame, they offer exceptional strength and stability. The non-marring leg tips are designed to protect your floor surfaces from scratches. Enjoy superior comfort with the contoured seat and back designed for your relaxation. What we like. These chairs offer robust strength and stability with their reinforced steel frames. The simple, flat folding design makes them incredibly easy to store away when not in use. If you need a no-fuss, dependable seating solution for extra guests or occasional events that prioritizes durability and compact storage, these are an excellent, budget-friendly option. What people say. The chairs are surprisingly comfortable, even for extended periods. They fold up very compactly, making them easy to store in small spaces. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, capable of holding a good amount of weight. Number 1. YITAHOME White Folding Chairs Set of 4. These chairs are built to last, even outdoors. Crafted from weather-resistant resin, they are waterproof, rust-proof, and won't scratch or rust like metal alternatives. They can support up to 550 pounds, making them incredibly sturdy. Experience superior comfort with an ergonomic backrest and a cushioned seat. The waterproof leather surface makes them easy to clean, offering a luxurious seating experience without any fuss. These chairs are designed for convenience. They are foldable, stackable, and lightweight, making them easy to store and transport. Perfect for any occasion, indoors or out. From weddings and parties to business events and home gatherings, these chairs are incredibly versatile. They can even be used as extra seating for yoga sessions. Forget about assembly. These chairs are ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold the legs and they are good to go, providing instant seating solutions. What we like. Enjoy worry-free outdoor events with these chairs, built from weather-resistant resin that won't rust. The padded seat and ergonomic backrest provide exceptional comfort for long periods. If you frequently host outdoor parties, weddings, or events and need stylish, comfortable, and low-maintenance seating that can be easily stored, these are an ideal choice. What people say. These chairs are very sturdy and comfortable for long periods. The foldable design makes them easy to store and transport. They are made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.